Hello and welcome everyone to our Sandbus tutorial video. Today we will be discussing an important strategy in email marketing known as inbox rotation and how you can effectively use it within Sandbus to boost your campaign success. So, what is inbox rotation? Inbox rotation is a powerful strategy used in email marketing to distribute outgoing emails across multiple inboxes or email accounts. This technique improves email deliverability, reduces the risk of being flagged as spam, and maintains a strong sender reputation. By rotating between different email addresses, marketers can avoid spam filters and ensure the message reaches the intended recipients. Now that we understand what is inbox rotation, let's dive into how you can implement this strategy using Sandbus. So, in Sandbus, you have to go to your campaigns, then you have to select your campaign. After selecting your campaign, you have to tap on settings, and in settings, you have to go to outreach accounts. In outreach account, you have to checkbox inbox rotation option. From there, you have to select email domains from which you are going to send your emails. So select from domains and tap on save. And thus how you can merge your domains for inbox rotation. And that's it. You have successfully activated the inbox rotation and you have already added your email or domain. Now you can track its performance and optimize your future campaigns for even better results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you.